Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to push and hold buttons 1 and 2. It stops blinking. So, and you hear nothing. When I push 1 and 2, that light will go off. Pushing it, and now it's blinking all by itself, which indicates that it's powered. Listen to this. Well, that was button number 1. Button number 2. It shows I'm pushing it, but it does nothing. Button 3 shows that I'm pushing it, but it does nothing. And button 4. Here's what my wiring setup looks like. I'm going to send you a photo of the wiring diagram as well. So you can see that I've plugged in all the wires in the appropriate spots. I know I have because that's up, down, trailer down, trailer up. So my hydraulic jacks go up and down, and when I push the button on the pendant here, the dump body goes up and it goes down. So what am I doing wrong?